Three Mountains Code of Ethics by Kristen Miller, Health Services Manager. Three Mountains Regional Hospital is committed to providing the highest standard of professional and organizational ethics. The Code of Ethics assures patients, staff, and visitors that ethical principles will guide and govern our decision-making. Three Mountains Regional Hospital strives for ethical integrity in providing high quality and effective healthcare. The Code of Ethics is designed to build these principles into decision-making at all levels of the institution. At Three Mountains Regional Hospital, every patient will be treated with the utmost dignity, respect, and courtesy. We will ensure that equal access to care is given to all persons and adhere to professional standards of practice. Quality healthcare will be provided in a timely manner, consistent with the needs of all who are served. Three Mountains Regional Hospital will strive to improve quality care. We will participate with other institutions in that quality improvement, and we will maintain accreditation through professional review organizations. All clinicians, physicians, and other referral sources will be credentialed in their respective areas and proven to be legal to provide medical services. The compensation rate for services will be paid at a fair market value rate. All payments or other benefits provided to physicians must be supported by documentation. The documentation must also confirm that the services contracted were in fact provided. The anti-kickback statute prohibits payments or other consideration given to physicians for referrals for services. Three Mountains Regional Hospital will provide affordable health care for all patients. We will ensure that the billing process is seamless and efficient, and patients will receive a correct bill the first time. The organization is committed to working with third-party payers to assure timely communication of patient and financial information. Because Three Mountains Regional Hospital is a tax-exempt organization, employees may not donate funds, services, products, or other resources of any kind to any political cause, party, or candidate. An employee can make a personal contribution to any lawful political cause, party, or candidate, and those personal contributions may not be distributed to the political party on the grounds of Three Mountains Regional Hospital. All employees must avoid situations in which their personal interests could conflict or reasonably appear to conflict with the interests of Three Mountains Regional Hospital. If a conflict arises between a patient and healthcare providers, Three Mountains Regional Hospital will make every effort to resolve the conflict in a timely manner and in a fashion so to respect the desires of the patient and the integrity of all those who are involved. Any conflict of interest that involves any member of Three Mountains Regional Hospital will be disclosed so that appropriate action may be taken to assure that patient care or administrative decisions will not be inappropriately influenced. Communication. Communication, whether it be verbal and/or electronic, between patients and providers or staff will remain confidential. Communication between employees, patients, and visitors will remain open, honest, and professional. All inquiries from the media must be referred to the Communications and Marketing Department, including all forms of public media, including print, radio, television, and internet. Users of social media who indicate that they are employed by Three Mountains Regional Hospital must clearly specify that any opinions expressed are their own and not those of Three Regions Mountain Hospital. Privacy. Confidentiality and privacy are of significant value to the staff at Three Mountains Regional Hospital. We will ensure that a patient's record will not be compromised. Access to a patient's medical record within our organization is restricted to those individuals responsible for providing care under the direction of a physician, and to others only when necessary for the enhancement of health and the well-being of the patient. Any breach of confidentiality will be administratively addressed. Patient autonomy. At all times, patients' desires and wishes, whether expressed directly or through medical advance directives, will be respected. Patients that refuse care will be honored and upheld with the utmost respect to be consistent with the legal and professional responsibilities of the providers and ancillary staff at Three Mountains Regional Hospital. Patients' ethnic, spiritual, culture, and lifestyle diversities will be respected. Providers and staff will be cognizant of the role that religious, faith, and cultural traditions may have in the healing process. Discrimination. Three Mountains Regional Hospital will not discriminate against race, creed, nationality, religion, sex, or the ability to pay. The organization will not discriminate against those that are looking for employment, looking for treatment, or visiting the facilities. Stewardship of resources. Three Mountains Regional Hospital will strive to provide services in accordance with accepted standards of care and avoid offering services that are unnecessary or non-efficacious. In conclusion, Three Mountains Regional Hospital Code of Ethics will create and maintain a culture of integrity and ethic behavior for the patients and the communities we serve. Anyone who suspects a violation in our ethical standards has the right and duty to report that suspected violation.